स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आपको एमीन्स के फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ के बारे में बताने वाला हूँ। एमीन्स आर द कंपाउंड्स विच कंटेन NH2 group directly united with the alkyl group and they have the general formula RNH2. Amines are soluble in water because they form strong hydrogen bonds with water. Amines have very high boiling points because amines are hydrogen bonded with amine molecule, so that the general formula becomes RNH2 का whole twice. Due to this dimer formation, the boiling point of the amine is very high, and all the amines are basic in nature, and they turn the red litmus blue. Due to basic nature, all the amines react with the acids and they can form the salts, just like that of RNH2 plus HCl is equal to RNH2 dot HCl. RNH2 plus HNO3 is equal to RNH2 dot HNO3. All the amines have various properties, but the main properties they possess the characteristic smell. हम एमीन को सूंघ करके बता सकते हैं कि हम एमीन को सूंघ रहे हैं। एमीन की एक पर्टिकुलर स्मेल होती है, जैसे कि शराब की एक पर्टिकुलर स्मेल होती है। उसी प्रकार से ऑल द एमीन्स possess a characteristic smell. We can smell the amine and we can find that the amines are the special category which have their individual characteristic smell. And as the molecular weight of amine is increased, तो molecular weight increase होने पर when the M is increased, density will increase, melting point will increase, boiling point will increase, and the solubility in water will decrease. It means that if the amine is heavier, then it will be less soluble in water. If the amine is lighter, then it will be more soluble in water. So amines can react with oxygen from air and they form hydroxyamine, which is of a red color. So amines turn red in air. It means that RNH2 plus O will give RNHOH. This hydroxyamine possesses the red color. And whenever the amine will be dissolved in water, then it will produce OH negative ions. It means that the aqueous solution of the amine is basic in nature, because when RNH2 react with water, it will produce OH negative ions and the solution will be basic. Similarly, these OH ions can give color with FeCl3. So we may say that if amines are added with FeCl3 and water, then ferric hydroxide is obtained, which possesses a brown color, and it is also known as the test of primary amine. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टेस्ट है। और अगर किसी एमीन में NH2 ग्रुप्स लगातार बढ़ाते चले जाएं तो उसकी विस्कोसिटी बढ़ जाती है, और NH2 ग्रुप को बढ़ाने से सरफेस टेंशन घट जाता है, एंड द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग एक्सटेंट बिकम्स हाई एंड हाई, एंड द एमीन्स बिकम थिक एंड ग्रीजी. Similarly, aromatic amines are weaker bases because of resonance. The lone pair of NH2 group, nitrogen का lone pair, take part in resonance and it migrate in benzene ring at ortho and para position. It means that the nitrogen contain no lone pair in the case of aromatic amine, hence H positive ions will not be attracted by this NH2 group, so that the NH2 group directly attached with the benzene will be weaker base. It will not attract H positive ions. But if we consider the open chain amine RNH2, then in RNH2 there is no resonance and the lone pair of nitrogen is fixed on nitrogen. It will attract the H positive ions quite easily, and the RNH2 amine will be strongly basic. Similarly, we may say that the diazonium chloride salts, बेंजीन पर अगर हम N2Cl लगाते हैं, then the compound is benzene diazonium chloride. It is highly stable, exists freely because of resonance stabilization. लेकिन अगर मैं ओपन चेन का डाइजोनियम साल्ट बनाना चाहूँ, RNH2 का डाइजोनियम साल्ट RN2Cl स्टेबल नहीं होगा, क्योंकि इसमें रेजोनेंस नहीं हो सकता ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ डबल बॉन्ड. एंड एमीन्स आर used as the organic solvents, and sometimes they form the complex, and we may say that like that of AgCl and AgBr type salts, which are insoluble in water, they react with primary amine and form coordination compounds which are soluble in water. And similarly, as we move from primary amine to the secondary and tertiary amine, then primary amine contain NH2 group. It means that 2 hydrogen are available for the hydrogen bonding. so that the hydrogen bonding in the case of primary amine with water is very high, and in the case of secondary amine the hydrogen bond is comparatively weak, and in tertiary amine there is no hydrogen atom available on nitrogen atom which can form the hydrogen bond with water. Hence primary amines will be more soluble in water, secondary amines will be comparatively less soluble in water, and the tertiary amines will be least soluble in water because of the lack of hydrogen bonds. And if we add KMnO4 to the RNS2, then RNS2 plus 3O will give RNO2 plus water, and RNO2 possesses the yellow color. It is also a very important chemical test of the primary amine that RNS2 react with oxygen in presence of KMnO4 and it will give the yellow color. So amines are highly polar, and some of the amines are used in medicinal chemistry, and there are various synthetic applications of the amine which are not in the syllabus of the 12th class, but we may say that by coupling reaction and by some other name reactions we can prepare methyl orange indicator from the amines, as well as various synthetic compounds like indigo can be prepared by the primary amines. And this is all about the physical properties of primary amine. अपने अगले वीडियो में मैं एमीन की मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में डिस्कस करूंगा. थैंक यू.